Bob's buying us time. Grab Dr. C and run!
Dumb books! I'll teach you to teach me!
No. Without mad science, I'm nothing. Nothing!
I'm just saying I always thought his first name was Doctor.
Really, Link? And he just happens to also be a doctor?
Hey, his last name is Cockroach, and he just happens to also be a cockroach. A-boom.
Name the capital of the United States.
Okay, let's call it Pete. No, wait, Donnie. Donnie U.S. Jackson Jr. Nailed it.
So we've got to get Doc
Herb?
over his stage fright.
It's worse than stage fright, Susan. Much, much worse. I genuinely cannot sing.
Oh, come on. Everyone can sing.
Oh, observe.
It burns! It burns!
So that's enough of that.
Told you.
Let's try fractions. If we divide this pie into...
Nice. What kind of fractions is that? Blueberry?
Everyone can be taught.
Light bulb. Susan, you rocked karaoke night, so how about this? You stand behind a curtain and sing while Doc moves his lips. Boom. Singing!
Whoa, I do not like cheating. Another thing the other kids in school just loved about me.
I agree with Susan,
Thank you.
but not her mamby-pamby teacher's pet morality.
Hey!
Your plan is too low-tech, Link. Where's the fun? Where's the mad science? Ah, here it is.
What are you doing to me?
I've reversed your subatomic structure, causing you to shrink instead of grow.
Change me back!
Can't, but fret not. Hey! Mere minutes from now, you shall return to normal.
Ew, do you ever floss?
Focus, Nano Susan. Row, row, row your boat on 3.
Row, row, row your boat? Something wrong with this entry?
Up, up. Now. 1, 2, 3.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Well, the voice is a little on the girly side.
So sorry.
But you work with what you got. Way to beat the system, Doc. And Shining Star.
I think I swallowed Susan.
Not coming out.
Still not working. Hush!
Maybe if we wait long enough, she'll come out the other way.
Ew, make him hurl.
I'm afraid we have bigger problems.
Maybe for you.
Your subatomic restructuring was only temporary. In 10 minutes, you'll revert to normal size, and thus my head will explode.
Still not going the other way.
So, how'd I do?
I'm on my 6th red pen. You spelled your own name with 2